What a view. Tell you what, this place, stunning in the snow. I'll come back in the summer and see what it's like then, but yeah, I'm in the snow. No one's been up here, fresh snow. Can't fault it. In the distance over there, it's the car park that takes you all the way up to Fanny Bay, and another few summits around there, which are already on my videos. So yeah, take a look. Heading up all the way over there. Hopefully the cloud goes so I can get the drone up, but we'll see. We'll see. So keep on trekking. So made it. Pant y Creigiau, however you pronounce it. No disrespect to the Welsh speakers in the world. Just can't pronounce it. So yeah, 580 meters in the snow, no one about. It's a bit of a whiteout. Not much you can do about that, but it's fun. Got all my wet gear just in case I get into a bit of trouble in my bag. But I gotta be honest, I'm boiling. Merino wool base layer. I got a Columbia polo top and then a Montaigne mid layer then, and then a nice fleecy rab puffer quilted coat jacket. So yeah, I'm lovely and warm. I'm gonna be heading that way to the next summit. I might get a drone out and have a little fly out, fly by, fly around. But yeah, 580 meters. A little bit difficult in the snow, can't see where you're going, but I got my map as a backup and I've been following my watch, so been trying my best to sort of stay out of any water trails where it's completely white snow. I just got to be careful. Prodding about with these definitely helps. So yeah, as you can see, that looks like solid ice by there, but then it's this slush. So yeah, summit 1 done. Keep on trekking, everyone. Get outside. Nature's great. Another summit down. I was in the fortunately a lot of mist, so I couldn't really see much, but yeah, I'm on to the third summit now, so won't be too long. I'm not sure I'm going to make it all the way today, so sometimes, like I said on another video, it's good to pivot, turn back. Yeah, ironically I was talking to another person on TikTok who had their first turn back on a mountain not so long ago, and I said, nothing wrong with turning back. If you know you can't get to it, your safety's more important. So yeah, I might have to do the same. It is what it is. Just gotta turn back. It looks like I can see the route. It's all the way along there. But yeah, clouds are meant to be coming in, as you can see in the background. They're not the best, so yeah, I'm going to keep moving and see you in another video. Keep on trekking. Look at this, stunning views though. Can't fault it. Love it. So this is one of the dangers when walking in the snow, if you're not 100% sure where you're going. So when you get to water parts like this, not sure you can see it, it's sloshy, deep, it's disgusting. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. You just got to be careful. Don't just aimlessly keep going. Take your time, find a way around. Because the worst thing you want to be doing is finding a spot that you think's okay, like this, that's okay. Jump over, take your time. Because there will be a few of them. There's always a few of them. Like there's more here. So again, check. Just in case. And then step over. And you're okay. Just be careful out here, guys. Again, I'm not too far away from a road. I've done my dynamic risk assessment, as they call them. I'm not too far away from civilization, and I got phone signal. So if I am lost, which I won't be, but if I do get lost and I struggle or I fall down the ditch, I'd call for help. So always remember that, guys. Keep on going. Oh, I'm fire. My kettle's boiled. Kettle's boiled. So, my jet boil to the rescue again. Gonna finish and have this bit of coffee. So yeah, thanks. Time to have my OXO drink. Good old jet boil. Oh, yes. Can't fault it. Coffee, tea, or, as my wife will call it, drinking gravy. Cheers. So, it's getting a bit cold. Jet boil, always bring it with me. It's only a little stash. Literally boils water in about 2 minutes, if that, 3 minutes maximum. So yeah, nice OXO drink. Find a bit of a spot to have a nice coffee, overlooking Talibont in the background. Can't fault it. Absolutely stunning place. I'm not going to do the whole walk today, like I said earlier. I'm just going to do a couple of summits, and then I'm done. So I've done 1, 2, 3. This is my third one here. So yeah, I'm not going to finish it. I'm going to save it for when it's a clear day. Otherwise, I'd be ending up all over there. I'll lose the light, so it's not the best. But no, I've got my nice warm cup of gravy, as my wife would say, OXO drink. Can't fault it. Stunning views. Just nice to be outside, take your mind off a few things. I have a great life. I have a great family. I have a great job. But it's still nice to be outside, whether it's on your own or with friends or with family. It doesn't really matter as long as you're outside and you have some peace. I really do count my blessings when I'm out here, because it's such a nice place to be around, and I haven't seen anybody. So, you know, sometimes my job entails a lot of talking, so sometimes not having to talk is a nice thing, and I cherish those moments too. So yeah, great space. It's good to reflect, listen to the wind, look at the views, even see some cars going through the valley. Yeah. And over there, towards the other side of Fanny Beef, and again, a couple of other Welsh mates I can't pronounce, I do apologise. I believe there's a Canadian aircraft crashed in those mountains many years ago, and you can understand why when the cloud's so low and the hills are so high. I suppose the technology ain't well, it wasn't what it was back then to what it is now. So with autopilot, you have to fly by eye, and if you can't see, ultimately bad things and sad things can happen. So yeah, there's a memorial over there, which I've shown on another video, which is really, really nice. So yeah, it's just a stunning place to be. I can't believe how much snow there is. There's a lot of snow. Keep on trekking, everyone. I found this bit tricky coming up. I'd go off path a little bit. Couldn't actually see where the path was. It looks like there's a lot of scramblers come up here and tear up the ground, so you don't know where your foot's going to go with the snow. So yeah, nearly went down there. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on how I go, because some of it's getting a bit squelchy underfoot, like that. See? I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I'm getting a bit squelchy. You might look out, guys, I might fall, which is a bit of a rarity for me, but it does happen, especially when I did it on off a strike and it ruined my trek. I had to go home. So, but I went back up. That's the point, I went back up. So yeah, I'll do a little video on safer ground down the bottom, and the battery on the drone will keep going. I don't know if you can see him coming round now in the background. So I'll keep the drone going, which is a DJI Mini 4 Pro. Really good. I sort of upgraded from the Neo, which was super cool, really light, easy to carry, to the Mini 4 Pro, which is up there. Don't know if you can see it in the background, filming me as I go around. So I will eventually get to do a bit of a tech video, but I think I need better weather. Keep on trekking, everyone. Just finished the walk off the slushy, muddy, snowy mountain. Really nice walk. Got some good footage. Nice and peaceful. Like I said, you know, to come up these mountains is a privilege. You know, and to live so close is an honour. But make use of it. But don't be silly. Don't go anywhere you don't know. There's plenty of people out there that'll go walking with other people. Reach out and get to know people. Yeah. It just needs simple map reading. Some of the trails are really clearly marked. This one, not so much today, but yeah. Just stay safe. Loving it. I love it. I love it. Gotta get into my van. I didn't have my chili chicken wrap that I made yesterday, especially for this walk. So I'll have that in the van on the way home. Get into a nice hoodie. Take my waterproofs off. Chill. Keep on trekking, everybody. Keep on trekking.